Good day to all my lecturers. My name is Tang Chun Wei. Today I'm going to present about my research proposal plan for my final year project. And the topic of my final year project is 2D versus 3D mammography, a systematic review of radiation dose and diagnostic accuracy. My supervisor for this research is Dr. Noor Hashimah binti Muhammad Nauruddin, and my co-supervisor is Dr. Noor Azul Azmi bin Yahya. So here is some brief introduction for my research. As radiology field advances, more and more breast imaging options are available for detection of breast abnormalities. So as we all know, screen film mammography has been greatly replaced by 2D digital mammography, and nowadays 3D mammography has evolved to become an breast imaging option due to its greater diagnostic accuracy. So as more and more breast imaging options are available, radiation dose seems to become a greater concern despite its greater accuracy. So this is because radiation dose from breast imaging will increase the risk of radiation-induced breast cancer. And therefore, the main purpose of this research is to systematically review all the articles related to radiation dose and diagnostic accuracy of 2D versus 3D mammography in order to provide an implications on a best imaging option for breast cancer detection. So here is the problem statement of this research. And as I have said earlier, patient exposure from screening X-ray mammography might cause radiation-induced breast cancer. Advanced imaging techniques such as 3D mammography might increase radiation dose to patient compared to 2D mammography despite its greater diagnostic accuracy. More mammography techniques has been developed nowadays with the aim to improve diagnostic accuracy while maintaining lowest radiation dose to the patient. Therefore, this research is done to systematically review all articles or journals related to 2D versus 3D mammography in terms of radiation dose and diagnostic accuracy. So to kickstart a systematic review, a research question is needed to be designed. And therefore, the research question of my systematic review is which breast imaging technique allows greater diagnostic accuracy with comparable radiation dose. With this, the objective is to systematically review all the articles and literature related to 2D versus 3D mammography in terms of diagnostic accuracy and radiation dose in order to provide an implication for practice and policy. So this is the plan of action for my research. And the first step is to design a research question or topic, and this is already been done by me. And next is to identify all the relevant keywords as well as exclusion and inclusion criteria in order to conduct a search strategy. And then search strategy will be conducted from at least 3 databases, which is PubMed, Cochrane Library, Campbell Collaboration, or Scopus. And then relevant studies will be identified by screening topic and abstract first, and all the eligible articles will then be extracted with their full text and to assess the quality of their studies with respect to the inclusion criteria. And next, I will combine and summarize all the results, and finally, I will interpret the findings and place them into the context. And any recommendations will be graded by reference to the strengths and weaknesses of the evidence. So this is the expected time frame for the development of my systematic review, and proposal is planned to be prepared from September until November, and the submission date is on 26 November. And next, for initial design and researches, a research topic is already designed by me, and then the next step is to develop a research strategy, and this is estimated to be completed within September. And then literature search will be conducted from September to early of November. And after that, the studies will be screened for their eligibility by first screening the titles and abstracts from October to November, and then I will screen the full text articles for those studies that are eligible from October until December. And after at the same time, I will synthesize the results for those eligible articles and combine theirs and summarize their information from November till March. So Finally, I will interpret the findings and place them into the column text starting from January until May, and the presentation and submission of manuscript is estimated to be done around June 2020. And this is all about my presentation. Thank you.